Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, especially to the political theory series. In this video, we will going to discuss the criticism against Rousseau's ideas. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more videos. So without wasting our time, let us begin. Many criticisms have been leveled against his concept of general will and other ideas. According to critics, it's very difficult to believe that human condition in state of nature as said by Rousseau was correct. Rousseau says that before the state was established, the condition of society known as the state of nature. In the first phase, human used to be very ideal and there were no conflict and anything else. So he called man in the state of nature as noble savage. But critics says that Thomas Hobbes' concept of state of nature was too terrible to be true. Rousseau's concept of state of nature is too good to be true. According to others, his state of nature idea was ambiguous and contradictory. Because Rousseau's ideas lacks simplicity and clarity of his explanations are vague and subject to serious doubts. His description of state of nature and the concept of general will lacks consistency and fact to be convincing. His greatest contribution to the political science is general will, and his general will also not exception to the criticism. Now let us discuss the criticism of general will. According to critics, the concept of general will is too narrow and abstract. Very subtle distinctions have been made between general will and the will of all, and many arguments are advanced to explain it. This concept therefore has raised much controversy. Another demerit of general will is that it is very difficult to locate general will, especially in a large modern state where all people cannot meet together and express their general will, so it is impossible to locate or discover general will in such a state. In fact, only in Greek city-states like Athens, the citizens gathered together, but there women and slaves are excluded from such privilege. So it cannot be the exercise of general will and popular sovereignty of Rousseau. In modern democracy, for example, law is made with majority support and most of the time it is expression of majority will and not the general will. Critics also said that Rousseau's concept of general will is totalitarian in nature because Rousseau gives absolute power to the concept of general will. He gives no option to the individual will against the general will, which can neither be wrong nor unjust. Individuals cannot protest against the authority of general will. That's why critics rightly said that Rousseau's social contract lead people to democracy. In other way, through his concept of general will, it leads them to totalitarian control. So Rousseau's general will is Hobbesian Leviathan with its head chopped off. According to other critics, Rousseau's conception of common interest is difficult to define. In fact, his doctrine of general will is based on the conception of common interest. He said that the decision on common good as general will. Most of the dictators of today claims that their decision is based on common good and justify their action by defining on their own way. Rousseau made no differentiation between state and society, and according to critics, it is a serious mistake and could be easily utilized by totalitarian state to suppress the individuals. Advocacy of small states and criticism of representative democracy is not practicable. Rousseau advocated small states with limited population for the practice of general will. In other words, he was a supporter of direct democracy, which has practical difficulties. He only supported direct democracy but did not provide a solution for possible problems. Not only that, Rousseau also criticized the representative democracy or indirect democracy. But today in modern world, democracy operates indirectly through representatives. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or if you want to add anything to it, please write it down in the comment section below, and please give me thumbs up, and for more videos please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.